In the part 1 back to college vlog, I showed you my gear, my journey to college, went for a movie, Manchurian, and places I went to before going to college. In this part 2, I will be showing you my college and other things, so let's get started. It's 6:40 am now, 6th December 2021. I slept at 4 am in the morning and woke up at 6:40 am, just 2 hours of sleep, as I need to shoot the vlog which you are watching right now. Let's go.
Yeah, good morning guys, I'm ready to vlog. Let's go for it.
It was 6:40 am in the morning, brushed my teeth and began the day.
First I need to go down and check if they're allowing for ground or not.
My room is currently in first floor, Ivan hostel. And this is ground floor. Sunrises look more beautiful in Rgukt. What do you say? Let me know in the comments. If you go to the left, you will reach messes and other buildings. If you go to the right, you can go to ground.
So I need to go a bit more to reach the ground. Meanwhile, you can see what's around me. And let's go for a jog. Our main objective is going for a jog as it's the day 1 and I need to shoot the campus main area, gate entrance and the beautiful blocks. It's currently 6:49, so I got a lot of time for the classes, so let's go. So the building you see on the left is 3 and these are mechanical workshops. That big one is library. You can see all the blocks or academic blocks. This one is workshop. The next one is academic block 3. You can't stop yourself taking photos because every corner of Rgukt is beautiful. Earlier there used to be different names for different blocks. I mean, academic block 1, 2 and 3. Academic block 1 used to be this one, academic block 1. I'm still in confusion. Yeah, A4 is academic block 1, A3 is academic block 2 and our block A3 is A3. A1 is A2. A2 is academic block 1. So finally we reach the ground. Someone is jogging there. I got some company. There used to be old ground in the middle of the campus, K2 ground. Now the new ground is the old ground, but I'm not been to college for 2 years, so it will be our ground. You can see the campus.
It's 6:55 am and I am going for a jog. Let's dial into that settings in the smart band. That dog is also exercising. Four minutes, nearly a half kilometer. Eight minutes 35 seconds, around 0.93 kilometers. Let's do this. Finally, 1 km.
So that's it. I didn't even sweat properly. I maxed out at 1 kilometer because It's been years. I'm back to jog. You see a little sweat. And this is not sweat, it's water. Max out at 1 kilometer because my back started to hurt. Because it's been a long time. Let's take some good photos and move to the next part. And the campus looks super beautiful from here. I'm sweating. It's a good sign that my body is responding properly to what physical activity. It's a good thing. I'm getting sweat. My body is functioning properly. Just kidding. So now I'll take you to the main gate and shoot some videos there. Blocks will be beautiful. Let's go. The whole farms you see here are mostly amla and mango trees. There are so many mango trees in the college as well, but sometimes we go for shopping for mangoes to this. As many people stopped coming here, the bushes grown up and we're heading towards the main gate. See the concrete mixer there. It's still in that position from the time when I joined. So let's try Qutub Minar shots. Let's try taking it. How can I take it? Oh. Feeling like Qutub Minar. That's fine. Get out. Did it take a shot? Let's cut out from the video anyhow. Funny part. Every time I see this golden light, I can't stop taking photos. There you can see it's a physical training building, PT building in short. You can see Rgukt's tank. I climbed that water tank in my PUC days and never climbed again.
Here is the main gate. Physical education building. I'm coming vlogs, I'm coming. Meet you on the part 3 of the vlog. Stay tuned.